BIMplement is paving the road to achieve an improved quality for nearly zero energy building construction and renovation in Europe by 2050. Nearly zero energy building requires a systematic, integrated approach that covers a large range of topics, technologies, concepts, and products. BIMplement focuses on two of these topics: building air tightness and building ventilation, providing a hands-on training using BIM-enhanced learning tools in the workplace. This approach will ensure a systematic quality control throughout the construction and renovation process. BIMplement uses BIM as a universal information holder and enabler of the learning process within projects and between projects. The learning process can be developed from several knowledge sources, such as training, inspections, manufacturing information, guides, and so on. These sources can be qualified in three topics: knowledge, skills, and competences. In BIMplement, we use BIM to connect the knowledge source with building process, building components, and building products. This to deliver guidelines, inspection formats, checklists, instructions, and so on to workers on site. The use of BIMplement will lead to single learning loops on site, to double learning loops between sites and between different professionals, and to triple learning loops on site through feedback from the construction site and to the knowledge providers. BIMplement works on closing the gap between the knowledge on paper and knowledge in practice. The circular use of knowledge can be achieved by BIMplement qualifications. In the first 7 BIMplement field labs, the training methodology was implemented, tested, and improved. BIMplement has trained already a group of BIM coaches. At the national level and regional level, they are responsible for seeding the network and finding suitable experimental sites where elements from BIMplement can be applied. For the experimental sites, 7 groups of workplace coaches are being trained. They are our partners in the implementation of BIMplement. The BIMplement team are performing and monitoring the results and experience on both national levels and EU level. To summarize, BIMplement objective is to achieve an improved quality for nearly zero energy building construction and renovation by use BIM as a universal information holder and enabler of the learning process within projects and between projects. BIMplement sets up a continuous professional development training and BIM-enhanced qualification schemes in a cross-trade and cross-level multidisciplinary approach. This approach is strengthened with hands-on and BIM-enhanced workplace learning tools, which are being tested in BIM learning centers and are being implemented in experimental building sites.